Have you ever wondered how Ben Whitehead took on the iconic role of Wallace from Peter Sallis in this brand new Wallace and Gromit adventure, Vengeance Most Fowl? Whitehead brings a new energy to the beloved character. So, how did this talented artist step into Sallis's big shoes, and what makes this film so special? Let's dive into this captivating story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. In 1989, Peter Sallis first lent his unmistakable voice to Wallace in the short film A Grand Day Out, which went on to win a BAFTA. Over the years, Sallis voiced Wallace consistently across films, commercials, and video games, even as the beloved duo took a break from 2008's A Matter of Loaf and Death until now. Unfortunately, the legendary actor passed away in 2017 when Ben Whitehead was approached to replace Sallis as the voice of Wallace. He hadn't undergone the traditional audition process. Instead, he simply impressed everyone with his uncanny ability to mimic the character's voice, a talent that grew and developed over time, allowing him to put his unique spin on the iconic role. Thoroughly cherishing the original Wallace image, yet striving to infuse a fresh perspective, Whitehead's passion and dedication truly come to life in Vengeance Most Fowl. Directors Nick Park and Merlin Crossingham encouraged Whitehead to focus more on the character's essence and performance rather than perfectly mimicking Sallis. This advice allowed Whitehead to inject his own interpretation into the role, making the portrayal all his own as we watch the film and marvel at its success. Question lingers: how did they create such a exquisite production? Perhaps it's true that Wallace's favorite cheese isn't the typical Yorkshire Wensleydale, but something even more scrumptious. In this case, might it be a robust aged cheddar that tickles Whitehead's fancy, a delightful Somerset cheddar, no less. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.